What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. As you can see, today we're going to be learning about arrays in C++. So, arrays in C++, we're I'm guessing arrays are pretty important because vectors didn't get this here. It looks a lot like a vector. Is a vector an array? Yeah, right. It's an array, it's just like, I guess it's just, well, what's the difference? Let's see, like vectors, the array is a data structure to store a sequential collection of elements. Unlike vectors, its size cannot be changed. Are they? Because sometimes they're not the same. So are they actually the same? Is that the only difference? If so, I'm using vectors. But I think that memory-wise, maybe arrays are a little bit better. Being able to store multiple pieces of related information in the same structure is very useful. Vectors are a modern approach to handling information, but C++ also inherits a more low-level means from its parent language, C. Alright, so arrays, vectors. Let's see, if you use C++ vectors in the past, you may be wondering what exactly the difference is between them and the arrays. Let's see. So with the arrays, you can still modify the elements inside the array, but you can't add or remove. I'm assuming that's going to be, yeah, like I said earlier, the sizing, the spacing. So you store in a location, you just can't, and you can change the value. You can modify the elements. Or does that mean, like, let's say you have 2 and 3, right, in an array. Does that mean you could only modify, as in multiply the 2? Or can you just say like space 0 equals 5 instead of a 2? We'll find out, I guess. Creating an array. Okay, why is it teaching us right now? Isn't this supposed to be interactive? The type of data you want to store in it, int. Oh, okay. So you don't actually have to use vector. It's like, it's there already. That's what I was wondering the other day. I was like, why are we using a vector library? But there, this is right here. This is the array. It's gonna be uniquely, it's like naturally there, you know? Oh, you don't have to give it a number if you directly initialize it. So it would have a size of 4. Ah, okay. So you don't always have to specifically specify how many you want. So 0 to 4. You can output whatever you want. You can change it. So you can directly change it. So 0 instead of A, you have a R. Ah, okay. So you can directly change a value. You don't have to modify the value. You can just assign it. Okay, so we learned about arrays for, I want to say for no reason, but like, so that's why they were teaching us, because I guess, okay, whatever. Okay, so we're learning. So they threw us a little curveball. We're now learning about functions. All right, functions. As a programmer, make sandwich. Let's see. I do kind of want a sandwich, not gonna lie. I'm down to try this. What is that? Cheese. That looks like avocado though on the top. I don't do avocado, so. But it looks good. Egg. Okay, I'm down. Okay, anyways, let's see. Some great reasons to use functions in your code. Okay, a single line. You can build dry, don't repeat yourself code. In fact, every programmer, also right here, it's like you're repeating yourself again. So it's like just do it once. Take a look at the IT support conversations in main CPP. There's a lot right, yeah, this is this. Oh, hi. Well, that's not really repeating. But this right here, these three, that's probably like a chatbot or something. Compile and execute the code. Let's see. It works, but we could make this code much shorter. What do you mean it works? The checkpoint will turn green after you compile and execute. Oh, you want me to actually compile it? Okay, let's compile it then. In the past ones, I didn't have to do this, but I guess we're doing it now. G++ CPP. I think that's how it's done. The checkpoint will turn green after you compile. Okay, I'm trying to compile it. How else is there? What is this? G++. That's how you compile, right? Or am I tripping? Am I not? What's going on? Let's see. Return 0. Am I tripping? Include. Am I supposed to? What's going on? Okay, I know it's gonna turn green after you compile. Alright, I'll try it one more time. Okay. So, take a look at the IT. There's a lot of repeating code. Compile and execute. Compile. That should just be run, right? Compile and execute. Main CPP. I'm gonna have to Google how to compile because I haven't done this in a while. So I'm assuming it's already there. So let's go ahead and just run it. Let's see. Let's do. What was the other one? Dot AL. I think I'll say it right there. There it is. Wow, this was one. Man. Have you tried turning it off or not? I have. Have you tried turning it on? Okay, cool. No. Okay. Well, that's that. Thank you guys for watching. I have a good ass day.